Hello, kids. I hope you are doing well. So, kids, in today's class, we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 6, Introduction to MS Word from the book Computer 2. So, let's begin. Okay, before we begin, hello, friends. We have already learned about the basics of MS Word. Now, in this chapter, we'll learn some more features of MS Word. तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि हमने थोड़ा बहुत MS Word के बारे में पढ़ा है. अब हम MS Word के कुछ फीचर्स के बारे में और जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो an overview of word processing. Okay, a word processor is a software that processes words, paragraphs, and pages and is used for typing, saving, and printing text documents. सो दे आर सेइंग कि जो वर्ड प्रोसेसर होता है वो एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कि वर्ड्स, पैराग्राफ और टेक्स्ट, पेजेस इन सबको प्रोसेस करता है. ओके, प्रोसेस करने में हेल्प करता है, जो कि उसकी टाइपिंग, उसकी सेविंग, जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट बना रहे हैं, प्रिंटिंग, उन सब चीज़ों में हेल्प करता है. ओके, मॉडर्न वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग प्रोग्राम includes features to customize the style of text, change the page formatting, and be able to add header and footer, पेज नंबर etc. जो आजकल वर्ड प्रोसेसर आ रहे हैं उसके अंदर हम पेज का फॉर्मेटिंग चेंज कर सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, साइज़ चेंज कर सकते हैं और हम उसका स्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम हेडर और फुटर ऐड कर सकते हैं पेज में. So these are the things and so many other things you can add. Okay, some examples of word processing software includes MS Word, WordPerfect, AppleWorks, etc. So we have given some examples, that is MS Word, there is WordPerfect as well, and there is AppleWorks as well, and so many other. Okay, so now let's learn about a word processing software, MS Word 2016. Now we'll learn about the word processing software, that is MS Word 2016. Okay, now introduction to MS Word. Okay, Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processor program developed by Microsoft Corporation. MS Word is a part of MS Office package that consists of MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So they are saying कि जो Microsoft Word है वो एक बहुत ज़्यादा popular word processor program है. Yes, जो कि डेवलप किया था माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉरपोरेशन में. और जो MS Word है वो पार्ट है MS ऑफिस पैकेज का, जिसके अंदर हमारी और भी चीज़ें आती है, जैसे MS Excel भी आता है और MS PowerPoint भी आता है. ऑल राइट, it helps us to create, edit, copy, move, save and close a document. तो ये हमें क्रिएट करने में, एडिट करने में, कॉपी करने में, मूव करने में, सेव करने में और किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट को क्लोज करने में, इन सारी चीज़ों में हमें MS Word हेल्प करता है. ओके, now there is a you must know. Microsoft was founded in 1975. So the company Microsoft was started, or you can say founded in 1975. Okay, now starting MS Word. Okay, to start MS Word we should click on, so if we need to start the MS Word we need to click on first the start button, then click on all apps, then click on MS Word 2016. Is this clear? Okay, then creating a new Word document, or you can say creating a new document. Okay, so to create a new document, follow the following steps. If we need to create a new document, we need to follow these steps. I'll read it. Okay, step 1, click on file option. So first we have to click on the file option. Then step 2, click new or press Ctrl plus N to open a new document. So if we want to create or click, we can click on new, or we can press Ctrl plus N to open a new document. Alright, then in the step 3, place the insertion point at the location where you want to type the text. So we have to place the cursor. Insertion point means we have to place the cursor from where we should start the typing the text or write anything. Okay, now there is components of MS Word 2016. Okay, so different components of MS Word 2016 are, so we have so many different components of MS Word 2016. So we'll look at this picture and understand them. Okay, so in the middle you can see this is called the document area. This is the largest area where you write the text. Okay, then this is called the cursor, from where you start typing the text. Okay, then there is a file tab. Then this thing is called quick access toolbar. Okay, then there is title bar, this thing, and then there is view buttons, and this thing is zoom control. Okay, now formatting the text. Okay, formatting the text in MS Word includes changing the font, bold the text, and changing the font color and size. So the formatting the text in MS Word includes, we can change the font size, we can change the font color, we can make it bold, make it italic, or we can underline also. Okay, so these are the things we can do in formatting the text. Okay, then there is changing font style. Okay, so it means to change the shape of the letters and numbers of a document. There is a variety of font styles available in MS Word 2016. By default, the font of a Word document is Calibri body. So they are saying कि चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट स्टाइल का मतलब क्या होता है कि हम जो लेटर्स और जो भी नंबर्स टाइप कर रहे हैं उनका शेप चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, तो जो MS Word 2016 है उसमें वैरायटी ऑफ फॉन्ट स्टाइल्स अवेलेबल है, बट जो उसका बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट रहता है वो रहता है कैलिबरी बॉडी. ओके, you can here see this option is called font style. There you can change, you can click on this one and there is a drop down box appear and you can select many font style, whatever style you want. Okay, then follow the following steps to change the font style of a document. If we need to change the font style of the document, we need to follow these steps. So the step 1 says select the text you want to format. To select a single word, double click. To select a line or more text, click to the left of it and then drag the cursor towards the text. So step 1 says कि जो भी text पर हमें font style change करना है, we have to select that text. If we need to select a single word, or you can say only one word, एक word select करना है, so we can double click on it. अगर हमें पूरी line को select करना है तो हमें cursor को left में लेके जाना है, then drag करना है, then वो पूरी line select हो जाएगी. Alright, then step 2 says click on the drop down arrow in the box displaying the current font style. So in the step 2 we have to click on the arrow. I already told you this arrow, you need to click on this one, then there is a drop down box appear, then you can select the style you want. Then step 3 says now select the new font style by clicking on it. So I already told you in step 3 you need to select the style whatever you want. Okay, now changing font size. We'll talk about the changing the font size. Okay, so it means to change the size in which text appears on the screen. By default, font size of a Word document is 11. So it means कि हम जो भी लिख रहे हैं, टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हैं, पैराग्राफ लिख रहे हैं, लाइंस लिख रहे हैं, उसका हमें साइज चेंज करना है. ओके, जो भी टेक्स्ट अपीयर हो रहा है वो हमें कैसा चाहिए, बड़ा चाहिए या छोटा चाहिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम साइज चेंज कर लेते हैं. ऑलराइट, जो फॉन्ट साइज डिफॉल्ट होता है दैट इज 11. ओके, देन follow the given steps to change the font size of a document. So we need to follow some steps to change the font size of the document. Okay, so the step 1 says select the text for which you want to change the font size. So first we need to select the text for which we need to change the font size. Okay, first part always remains selecting the text. Okay, then step 2, click on the drop down arrow in the box displaying the current font size. So we have to click on the arrow. There you can see this is the current font size and this arrow. You need to click on this arrow. Here you can see a drop down box appear and then you can choose the size whatever you want. Okay. Then step 3, now select the font size by clicking on it. Now we can click, say I have to select 24. So I'll click on this one and my text appear on that one size. Okay. Now there is changing font color. Okay. It means to change the color in which text appears on the screen. By default, the font color of a Word document is black. So they are telling us about कि अगर हमें font का color change करना है तो जिस भी उसमें अकर हो रहा है दिख रहा है तो फॉन्ट का कलर चेंज करने के लिए हम उसे चेंजिंग फॉन्ट कलर बोलते हैं. ओके, सो जो डिफॉल्ट में फॉन्ट कलर होता है दैट इज ब्लैक. ओके, सो वी हैव टू follow the given steps to change the font style of a document. We have to follow some steps to change the font color. Okay, so the step 1 says select the text for which you want to change the font color. तो step 1 में हमें select करना है जो भी text का हमें color change करना है. Then step 2, click on the drop down arrow in the box displaying the current font color. फिर उसके बाद जो current font color box दिखा रहा है उस पर हमें click करना है. Okay. So there you can see there is an arrow. You need to click on this one and then you can choose the color. Okay. So step 3 says the font color menu appears. There is a variety of colors available in the color menu. So in the step 3 we can see there is a drop down box appear as you already seen in the picture. Then there are so many variety of colors, right? Then step 4 says now select the font color by clicking on the desired color. फिर हमें जो भी वो बॉक्स अपेयर हो रहा है उसमें से जो भी हमारा डिजायर्ड कलर है, सूटेबल कलर जो हमें सही लग रहा है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करना है. इस तरीके से हम अपना फॉन्ट कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, देन देयर इज सेविंग फाइल इन MS Word 2016. ओके, so saving a file is very important. When we save a file, it can be used later to work on it. We should always save a file before closing it. So saving a file is very important क्योंकि अगर हमें उस पर दोबारा से काम करना है तो हम उस पर दोबारा से काम कर सकते हैं अगर हमने वो अपना जो भी वर्क किया उसे सेव किया है. अगर हम क्लोज करते हैं फाइल को तो उससे हमें क्लोज करने से पहले सबसे पहले सेव ज़रूर करना चाहिए. Okay, then there are follow the given steps to save a file in MS Word 2016. So we have to follow some steps to save the file in MS Word 2016. So let's see those steps. Okay, step 1, click on the file option available on the left top and corner of the screen. So here in this picture there is a file option here somewhere. Okay, so you have to click on that option. Then there this option appears. Okay, then step 2 says select the save option from the available options. So there you can see here ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल, सम ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल, बहुत सारे ऑप्शन दिए. इसमें से हमें सेव एज या सेव ऑप्शन पर क्लिक करना है. देन स्टेप 3, अ बॉक्स विल अपीयर इन विच यू कैन टाइप द फाइल नेम. देन आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ this thing opens or this box open. You have to write the name of the file, whatever file name you can type. Okay. Then step 4 says type the file name and click on the save option. Then here we need to type the name. Then here you can see the save option, so you can click on this thing. Okay, now closing a file in MS Word. Okay, once open a file, we also need to close it. It can be done by following the steps. अगर हमने कोई फाइल ओपन कर ली तो हमें उसे क्लोज भी करना है. तो अगर हमें उसे क्लोज करना है तो हमें कुछ स्टेप्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं. Step 1, click on the file tab. First we have to click on the file tab. Then step 2, select the close from the available option. It will close the document. तो available option में से हमें close option दिखेगा, उस पर click करना है. फिर उसके बाद फाइल close हो जाएगी. Okay. So there you can see the option, this box appears. So we have to click always on the save. Okay. Because before closing the file, we need to save that file. That is very important. Okay, now we have some review points. MS Word 2016 is a word processing software that processes words, paragraph and pages. तो जो MS Word 2016 है वो एक word processing software है जो कि words, paragraph और pages को process करता है. Yes. Then different components of MS Word include file tab, title bar, document area, zoom control, view button. तो जो different components हैं वो MS Word के क्या क्या, file tab, document area, zoom control, view buttons. These all are the components. Okay, then we can format the text in MS Word in different ways. जो format है हम MS Word में different तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Yes. Then formatting the text in MS Word includes changing the font color, font size, line spacing, aligning the text, etc. Formatting का मतलब होता है MS Word में कि हम उसका color change कर सकते हैं, size change कर सकते हैं, उसका style change कर सकते हैं, text को align कर सकते हैं. These all are the things and so many other things. Okay. Then we can also save and close a file in MS Word. हम अपनी फाइल को सेव भी कर सकते हैं और क्लोज भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now, self-assessment, creative skill, activities. Okay. There are some images provided below. Name the formatting text tool near the arrow provided. So, we have to see the pictures and name these the formatting text options that we have used or that we have taught about in this chapter. Okay. So, this is the font style. Okay, I'll write here. Now we'll move to the next one. Now, this one. This is the font size. Okay. And this is the font color. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Problem solving. A. Tick the correct option. First, which of the following does not include text formatting? तो given options में से कौन सी ऐसी चीजें जो text formatting को include नहीं करती? So I'll read the options. A. Changing font color. B. Changing font size. C. Change line spacing. D. Take the printout. So the correct answer is take the printout. Okay. Second, which of the following is not developed by Microsoft Corporation? तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है गिवन ऑप्शंस में से जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉर्पोरेशन ने नहीं बनाई है? आई रीड द ऑप्शंस. A. MS Excel. B. MS PowerPoint. C. MS Word. D. Facebook. So the correct answer is Facebook. Okay. Third, we should always dash a file before closing it. So, हमें फाइल को क्या करना चाहिए क्लोज करने से पहले? We have some options. A. Save. B. Edit. C. Both. D. None. So the correct answer is save. Fourth, by default, the font size of a Word document is. तो default में जो Word document होता है उसका क्या size होता है? So we have some options. A. 11. B. 16. C. 23. D. 5. So the correct answer is 11. Okay. Fifth, टाइटल डैश इज अ कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ MS वर्ड. सो जो टाइटल डैश हमें नहीं बता रखा, वो एक कॉम्पोनेंट है MS वर्ड का. वी हैव सम ऑप्शंस: A बार, B टूल बार, C Excel, D image. So the correct answer is title bar, full name. Okay. Then B, fill in the blanks with the correct word given in the box. So we have to fill the blanks with the help of these available options. Okay. So I'll read these options. 11, Calibri, saving, formatting, MS Word, Microsoft Office. Okay. First, by default, the font of a Word document is dash. तो by default जो font style होता है Word document का, वो क्या होता है? So the correct answer is Calibri. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to the next part. Second, dash means to change font size, color, bold, italics and underline the text. तो किसका मतलब ये होता है कि हम font size change कर सकते हैं, color bold बना सकते हैं, italics कर सकते हैं, underline कर सकते हैं text को. So the correct answer is formatting. Okay. Third, Dash is the most popular word processor program developed by Dash. तो ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड प्रोसेसर प्रोग्राम है जिसे किसी ने डेवलप किया था, उनका भी नाम बताना है हमें. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हियर MS वर्ड, देन डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके. Fourth, by default, font size of a Word document is dash. तो by default जो font size होता है Word document का, वो क्या होता है? So the answer is 11. Fifth, dash a file is very important. तो क्या करना फाइल को बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है? So the correct answer is saving a file. Okay. C, write true or false for the following. So we need to write the true or false. Okay. First, we can change the font size but not the font color in MS Word 2016. So हम font size तो change कर सकते हैं but font color नहीं change कर सकते MS Word 2016. No, that is false. Second, default font size is 11 in MS Word 2016. तो जो default font size होता है MS Word 2016 में वो 11 होता है. Yes, that is true. Third, we should not save a file before closing it. तो हमें कोई भी फाइल को सेव नहीं करना चाहिए क्लोज करने से पहले. No, that is false. Fourth, there are only 5 font styles available in MS Word. जो MS Word है उसमें सिर्फ 5 font style है. No, that is wrong. Means false. Okay. Fifth, MS Word is developed by Microsoft Corporation. जो MS Word है उसे Microsoft Corporation ने develop किया है. Yes, that is true. Now, D, complete the following components of MS Word. Writing skill. Okay, so we have to complete these the components of MS Word. So we'll just complete it. First, file dash. So the correct answer is file bar. Okay. Then second, dash area. So the correct answer is document area. Okay. Third, dash bar. So the correct answer is task bar, or you can say title bar. Okay, title bar we'll write. Fourth, zoom dash. So the correct answer is control, zoom control. Okay. Now E, answer the following question. Question 1, what is a word processor? Give 2 examples. So the word processor is a software that helps in processing word, paragraph, or text used in saving or editing and printing those documents. Okay, the two examples of word processor are MS Word and Google Docs, etc. Okay, question 2. Write down the steps involved to save a file in MS Word 2016. So, the steps involved to save a file in MS Word 2016. Step 1, we need to click on the File tab. Then step 2, we need to click on Save or Save As option. Then step 3, we need to type the file name. Then step 4, we need to save the file. Okay. Question 3. Explain the importance of saving a file. So, the importance of saving a file in a MS Word or Word document is because it helps us to do the work or format that file again, or also it prevents us to lose that document after a sudden power cut or some sudden system failure. Okay, now question 4, what do you mean by formatting a text? So formatting a text means to change the appearance of the text, means we can change the color of the text, size of the text, then color, size, style of the text, and so many other things. Okay, so kids, I hope you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.